What do you guys think?
He's going to be locked inside of the store, and then the police come from the roof. And what about if we put him in the store and
So they're gonna meet at the ice cream store, and then what's gonna happen?
they're gonna say.
Oh, Dogman's gonna kiss his girlfriend?
No, that's on the end.
That's on the end? Okay.
What about?
Rainbow-alicious eats food. So you guys are modeling this after Pink-alicious' story?
Yeah. It's Rainbow-alicious.
But Rainbow-alicious? And you guys are starting. Guys, I like how Brittany decided to organize hers sequentially. She has first, second, third, and last on her bubbles to organize her story. So she wants to tell it in order. You guys could do it that way.
Like Dogman.
It's okay.
Like draw.
It doesn't have to be perfect. First, she eats too many red things for breakfast.
Trying to spell breakfast.
And then second, she eats